And good evening. Here's a look at what's going on your DTAR Doppler. You can see a lot of showers and thunderstorms now impacting San Antonio from the north and from the south, but things across Victoria and the rest of the crossroads, things are quiet, except for some light showers now moving to Karnes County. We'll begin to move into Gonzales County within the next couple of hours, but if I zoom out, you can see a line of showers and thunderstorms extending as far north as the Red River Valley between Oklahoma and Texas, all the way down towards the south. Off towards the north and towards the east in this red you see here from about El Campo up towards Houston, up towards the Arklatex. That is a moderate risk for seeing severe thunderstorms, and then the risk becomes an enhanced risk throughout most of the central parts of the crossroads, then drop off to slight and to marginal risk towards the south and towards the west Victoria. So what does all that mean? All modes of severe weather are at play tomorrow, which means that we can see damaging winds with storms, large hail, even the possibility of seeing a tornado or two. And the greatest risk for seeing severe thunderstorms would be from Victoria off towards the north and towards the east, where the moderate risk is located right now. And we'll see a decreased chance of seeing severe thunderstorms towards the south and towards the west across our southwestern counties of Goliad, being down towards Refugio, down towards Corpus. We have a warm front and an area of low pressure down towards the south. This will begin to track off towards the north and towards the east. You can see some big thunderstorms now firing up off towards the west across San Angelo and across West Texas. That'll begin to move into our area by the morning hours of the day on Sunday, afternoon and evening. And once this cold front passes us, things looking much better by your Monday and your Tuesday.
Move due to some of this weather.
Yeah, so what's going on is we have a stationary front that's across North Texas, and that's separating the cold air across Oklahoma, Kansas and Missouri. Have a lot of warm air down towards the south. But in the upper levels, that warm air is going up top of that cold air, and as a result, have a large warm layer, which is melting the ice from the upper layers down to the bottom. But there's still a small layer of below freezing at the surface, which is turning that rain to freezing rain on contact, and that's why we're having ice problems. Let's talk about the past for a second. Just yesterday, around 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we saw a scene like this. This is a nice shelf cloud. This was on the leading edge of a squall line that moved across the area, gave us lots of heavy rain. After that cold front moves through, it gave us a pretty sight like this, wall-to-wall sunshine today. It was very beautiful, and you can see temperatures are starting to come down quite a bit. Fortunately, this month, we saw a February average high around 80 degrees, and to make things worse, 24 of the 28 days of the month of February were above average, and we also set 4 new records on the 7th, the 8th, the 11th, and the 12th. So things around here have felt more like summer and spring instead of winter. But the good news is winter officially is still sticking around for a couple more weeks before spring gets here around March the 21st. See a thunderstorm that's pretty much in between Victoria and Etna. That is very strong right now. Seeing some small hail, seeing the thunderstorm right here between Victoria and Etna. Everything is tracking from the southwest towards the northeast. So be mindful if you're along the 59 corridor or going off towards Etna or Grenada and up towards 59 up towards Wharton County. Be mindful that this thunderstorm is putting down quite a bit of rain, some gusty winds, and maybe some small hail. And besides this only thunderstorm right here, other than that, things are quiet as all the action is well off towards the north and towards the east, and as Sarah stated, most of the action is well off towards the north and towards the east. But the good news is sunshine in your forecast starting on tomorrow. We'll talk about that later on in your hometown forecast. And at about 4 to 8 miles an hour. And then tomorrow, another beautiful afternoon, a high of 67 degrees, sunny and cool. But notice this, winds out of the northeast transitioning to southeast about 5 to 10 miles an hour. But here's a look at your next 7 days. Sunday, beautiful. Monday, nice and warm. Cold front Tuesday night into Wednesday. Thanksgiving looks simply glorious. And another cold front will arrive by the weekend. So as I mentioned earlier, if you love roller coasters, you're going to love the next 7 days because it's cold, hot, rain, cold, hot again, and then rain again.
Temperatures are definitely dropping like a rock.
They are going to drop like a rock tonight. The rain will be stopping soon. Not tonight, though.
Oh, man.
But by tomorrow morning, it will be stopping.
All right.
All right. Temperatures and radar outside, you can see it's cold, and we're still watching more showers moving from southwest off towards the northeast. But the heaviest of rain showers is off towards our northwest from Mount Cuero to San Antonio, down towards Floresville, and down towards Karnes City. But if I zoom out, you can see there's a lot more showers and thunderstorms, but I think after all of this moves out, our rain chances as a result will be going down as well.